I tried LTX LoRA to make some interesting videos. Let's look at the LoRA option available for LTX Video. The workflow here I am using is for the distilled model, which we already saw in the older video. And these are the LoRA nodes. The first LoRA node has the distilled LoRA selected, but I will not be using it because I am using the distilled model. And here is the LoRA I downloaded from Hugging Face. The same goes for the CFG and scheduler, and then to the sampler. The squash LoRA is working, but the result generated looks colorless. I tried adding a simple node to fix the color, which is not heavy on hardware. The image I used in this workflow is also used as a reference to adjust the color when the image goes through it. And the effect is visible in the result. So, this is the LoRA I am using, and this is the trigger word to have its effect. The link to all the LoRA and the prompt used will be given in this workflow. The node I used to fix the color did not work here, because most of the pixels in the image are blue, which affected all the frames in the video. I installed a custom node to fix this color, and this will be a permanent fix. You can do it with some other node if you know. For now, these ESCS image effect levels worked. The custom node can be downloaded from the comfyUI manager. Search for ESCS. I will include this in the workflow. You can get this from the missing node if it appears in red color. This is another LoRA. The color levels on the left have been adjusted, and on the right, you're seeing the results straight from the VAED code.
Let's play today. Jump and laugh and shout hooray. Run and skip and have some fun. Flying together, everywhere.
The LoRA used is this mobile kid game style. And below there are no results posted by other users, but the LoRA works.
Clap your hands and jump up high. Run so fast and touch the sky. Spin around and laugh some more. Flying together, clowns fun galore.
This is a deformed morph LoRA. You might have seen such a deformed morphed effect in a long-length music videos. I will try the same LoRA with this image now. The LoRA was downloaded from here, and the prompt example is also given here with the trigger words. I also want to test this LoRA to see if it works in WAN2GP. Creating a 30-second clip using the WAN2GP is way simpler. Using LoRA should make the result even more interesting. This LoRA eats everything. And the girl lying on the grass is one of the creations by the Stable Diffusion 3 model. The LoRA is simple with a simple short prompt. The LoRA name on Civitai is named as Cartoonish Eaten. The trigger word is given, and the prompt can be found from this icon here. The prompt I am using will also be given in the notes of this workflow. The color correction node this time made the result darker. Actually, the color produced when I was using the squash LoRA was the real problem. But this Chucky LoRA looks great.
You know what's funny? Everyone runs, but nobody ever locks the door. Rude. Wanna play?
The LoRA was downloaded from Civitai, but unfortunately, the information present about this LoRA is very limited. I have used an image, and the prompt was given by GPT, which made the video possible. This Scooby-Doo LoRA worked, but I was not able to get the original audio of the characters. Also, you will have to use another Scooby-Doo LoRA in a text-to-image workflow to get the image to begin with. LoRA are being added on Civitai AI daily. There are multiple LoRA on the same concept, like the anime style or the deformed LoRA for music. Make sure you work on this filter in case you are browsing this website in the presence of others. And these are the filters to get the LoRA for LTX model. This cloth transformation looks interesting. The LoRA was downloaded from Hugging Face. The file name you need to download is this outfit switch v2. The prompt used will be in the workflow, and the result looks okay to me. All the different apparel on the model are specified in the prompt. You can make changes to it. Consistency may suffer when using this LoRA, but it kind of works when the subject is wearing glasses. Next, I wanted to try the zoom-in LoRA. This is without the LoRA. The character walks, and the camera also moves forward. The file name on Hugging Face is Deep Zoom, and after activating the LoRA node with the same LoRA selected, the result becomes a smooth dolly forward effect. The dolly forward LoRA from LTX can also be used, but I think this does a better job. I tried entering inside with a zoom-in effect, and it works. The prompt should specify what's inside. However, this prompt was given by GPT. I am using this reverse image batch node. After the zoom, the reverse node makes the camera pull back and takes it to its original place. Next, I tried this fluid LoRA, which looks good on a product image. The LoRA was downloaded from Hugging Face. The file size is a bit large in comparison to the other LoRA, but it works with comfyUI. This should also work with Want2GP. The prompt used is given in the workflow with a trigger word. You can put this for reference in GPT and get a different prompt for your use case. So that is it for this video. There are a few more LoRA I need to try. Let me know if you are interested in exploring more. Hope this video gave you some ideas. I wish you an excellent day.